just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me.
Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chant, and you are watching Chant's Daily Hustle. Guys, it is snowing today, and yeah, we're supposed to get like a blizzard, you guys. Right now it's starting out with rain. Oh man. Starting out as rain. So you guys can see it turned into snow. So right now it is about 8 in the morning, and I was supposed to go pick up some load of logs, elm logs, and but it rained today, you guys, and it's just a muddy mess. So the tree service company isn't working today because it's a muddy mess, you know. And so, oh man, my pipe, what happened to my pipe there? My wood stove pipe. As you can see, it fell down. We'll leave it there. It just looks sad. The snow business is kind of slow this year, but we'll see what it does here tonight. News channel, right? Always changes, you guys. Always changes the amount of snow that we were supposed to get. So we'll see. They said we're supposed to get like 5 to 10 inches, but I don't think we will. I think it's just going to be more of a slush and just, yeah. So, but we'll take what I'm gonna take what we get, you know. Look at that, you guys. What happened to my deal fell. Yeah, it tipped. Oh shoot, I left my matches out here. Shoot, that's not good. We're starting to build our inventory of logs. Big chunk of snow, you guys. Big flakes. It's gonna be big flakes here soon. But I just wish everything would freeze, if it would freeze, you know. But this thawing and non-thawing doesn't help us working down there in the wood yard. So yeah, beautiful. Alright guys, so we are here at the shop. I haven't been here for a while. And here's Ashton's firewood stand. You guys can see it's all bundled up. And on an honor system. It says pay here. Look, we actually sold the firewood. Wow. Let me open this up, you guys. What we got in there? $6. Exactly. Right there. So we'll leave it in there, you guys. And I should open it up. There's Ashton's sign. Looks like it needs water.
I know. They probably all do. Would you like to water them?
Don't look at the ones over the window.
That one that fell over.
They don't look at.
Somebody bought a bundle
Oh, really? From here?
$6 in there.
Huh.
So
And they like scan it? and
nope,
stuff,
they
or
threw
what?
cash in the
Oh.
box. So I'll have him come and open that.
Has anyone tried to do like scan?
Scan.
and
No.
use it
Code.
yet?
Only, I don't know. Yeah, some people will do it. But Zach's is done. How many hats you getting?
I think 10 hats only.
All right, everyone. It's about 2:30 p.m. Not much snow. It's been melting. Later on, the temps is gonna drop. Yeah, about 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Then it's gonna keep snowing. Continue to snow. But we'll see if it sticks. You know, we'll see if it sticks. It's supposed to snow until all day until Friday tomorrow. You guys, until 5 p.m. maybe 4 or 5 p.m. tomorrow. And I'm sure it's gonna stick later on tonight, but our timing to go out, we'll have to see here. So as you can see outside, since this morning, and not much, you know. All right, it's 33 degrees right now. They're giving us a blizzard warning, I guess, you know. So blizzard warning. You can see the hours. Let's go with the hour. Just rain, and then it stops. And then by 9 p.m., by 9 or 10 p.m., you guys, it kicks on. Have higher percentage. Boy. So, yeah. Overnight, the percentage of snow is going to be much higher. As you can see, almost through the whole day tomorrow, Friday. Wow. It doesn't end until 6 p.m., it looks like. So that's what we have here. Let's play right here. We're in that blue dotted. As you can see, it's gonna hit us. Boom. Let's go here. Yeah, we're right there. Yeah, I'm just using AccuWeather right now, you know, on our phone. That's the app. So we'll see, you guys. We'll see. If anything, I don't know. This snow removal business, it's always up in the air. You never know when you'll be going out or what you'll be doing. Depends on the weather. And so we just hired on another guy here for our sidewalk crew. And yeah, so at least we got that. And look at that, all just a little bit specks of snow. All right, guys, I am back at the shop, and I am gonna go put down some salt on the parking lots and the townhomes. I'm gonna pull out the GMC Denali. Let's see with the zigzag pattern, the tracks, see if I can get in here without slipping. Oh yeah, no problem. No problem getting in here, that's for sure. But my problem is that it's a steep, quite a climb, you guys, just to get up there. There we go. Nice. The track's doing doing its work. Nice, like it. I'll get about 2 scoops. It's already proven itself. It works. Definitely works. Love it. We're good. 2 scoops will do for that. So I'm just gonna take this guy in there and park it.